Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are having trouble with YouTube or any app on your Firestick, don't worry, you are not alone. And I am here to help you how to fix it. In this video, I am going to walk you through several quick and easy fixes that should get your YouTube or other apps back up and running on your Firestick in no time. So grab your remote and let's dive in right in. This method almost will work on all apps. Let's talk about some of the common issues you might be facing. Is the YouTube app crashing unexpectedly? Maybe you are dealing with constant buffering, or worse, the app wouldn't open at all. These problems are more common than you might think, and they usually boil down to a few key causes: outdated apps, network issues, or minor glitches in the Firestick's settings. Understanding what might be causing the problems is the first step is getting it fixed. Alright, let's start with the simplest fix: restarting your Firestick. This is often all it takes to clear out temporary glitches and refresh the system. Here's how to do it. Hold down the select button in the center of your remote and the play pause button at the same time for 5 seconds. Then your Firestick restart automatically. Once it's done, go back on. Go ahead and try opening YouTube again. If the problem was just a temporary glitch, this should fix it right away. If restarting didn't solve the issue, the next thing you should do is check for updates. Running outdated software can cause all sorts of problems, including issues with apps like YouTube. Start by going to settings from your Firestick home screen, then scroll down to My Fire TV and select About. From here, choose Check for System Updates to ensure your Firestick is running latest version. After updating, it's just as important to make sure your YouTube app is up to date. So go to Apps from the home screen, then your apps and channels, and scroll down to YouTube. If there is an update available, you will see an option to update the app. Install any apps and then try opening YouTube again. If guys is still having trouble, sometimes apps store have too much data which can cause them to misbehave. Clearing the cache and data can often resolve these issues. Here is how to do it, just follow my steps. Go back to settings, then select application and scroll to the manage installed applications. Find your YouTube in the list and then select it. You will see options to clear the cache and clear data. Just clear the cache. Start by clearing the cache. This will remove temporary files that might be causing the issues without affecting your personal settings. If that doesn't work, you can also clear the data. But be aware that this will reset app to its default state, meaning you will need to sign back into your YouTube account afterwards. Once you have cleared the cache and data, open YouTube again to see if it's working properly. If clearing the cache and data didn't resolve the issue, don't worry, I have one more tip to fix it. It's time to take next step and attempt a more comprehensive resolution by reinstalling the YouTube app. Reinstallation can address deeper software conflicts that simple cache clearing might miss. By uninstalling and then reinstalling the app, you are essentially starting fresh, which can help eliminate our corrupted files to settings that may be causing the app to malfunction. This process ensures that the latest version of the app is installed. To do this, go back to Manage Installed Applications under Settings. This will remove the apps from your device completely. After that, go back to the Firestick's App Store. Search for YouTube and reinstall it. Reinstalling the app can resolve deeper issues like corrupted files or bugs in the app itself. So give it a try if the previous steps didn't work. If guys none of these fixes have worked so far, it's time to check your internet connection. YouTube, like any streaming service, needs a strong and stable internet connection to function properly. From your Firestick home screen, go to Settings, then Network and select Wi-Fi network. Here you can see if your Firestick is properly connected to the internet and check the signal strength. If the signal is weak or you are experiencing connection drops, try moving your router closer to the Firestick or consider using an Ethernet adapter for a wide connection. A stable connection should help eliminate buffering and loading issues. And one more thing that I wanted to share with you guys. When you are using Firestick, you must have a VPN. In today's digital age, your online privacy and security are more important than ever. That's where VPN comes in, and I highly recommend you NordVPN. NordVPN is a powerful tool designed to protect your online activity and keep your personal information safe. But NordVPN does more than protect your data. It also helps you access content from around the world. If you want to stream your favorite shows or access websites that are restricted in your country, NordVPN has covered you. Let's get NordVPN up and running on your Firestick so you can stream securely and privately. You can download it from Amazon App Store. Just go to search bar and type your NordVPN. Select NordVPN from the result below and download it. Once the downloading is complete, open it. You will be prompted to scan your QR code or enter code manually. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, I will help you to get one. Click on the link provided here in the description below of this video. You will be redirected to the NordVPN website where you can choose a plan that best fits for your needs. After selecting a plan, NordVPN will email your unique username and password. Make sure to check your email for these details. Return to the NordVPN app on your Firestick. Connect with your QR code or enter manually code so you will be logged in. Once logged in, you will see welcome screen. On the main screen, slide to view your country list and select it. This will display a list of available servers. If you are unsure which server to choose, select optimal location at the top. NordVPN will automatically pick the best server for you. Click the quick connect and wait a few moments. Once the country lights up in green, you are connected and ready to go. With NordVPN active, you can stream any apps safely and securely. And that's it. By now, one of these fixes should have resolved the issues you were experiencing with YouTube on your Firestick, whether it was a simple restart, an update, or a deeper reset. I hope this guide has helped you get back to watching your favorite videos. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more tips and troubleshooting guides just like this one. So please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.